Pero bago po yun, related po ito kasi sinabi ngayon ni Ombudsman Boying Remulla that plunder charges are being readied against the former Speaker, Martin Romualdez, and the former Senate President, Chis Escudero. What's your reaction to that, sir?
Ay, marami ng pangako na napako. So, ano na yan, hindi na kapani-paniwala.
You don't believe it at all?
No.
Because?
I don't believe. Kasi yung 19th Congress, lahat involved eh. Lahat involved ng yung leadership, both houses and Senate and the House, involved dyan. So, yung cabinet members, involved dyan. So, kung may kakasuhan, ang daming kakasuhan. Ang daming kakasuhan. So, hindi na ako naniniwala dyan dahil sinabi na nga, no, si Presidente na mismo nangako na may makukulong December 15. Ang dami ng pinangako, yung ICI. Hanggang ngayon, wala pa yung reports.
It's with the DOJ and the Office of the Ombudsman.
Yes, pero hindi mailabas yung report eh. Tapos yung Independent People's Commission na pinangako ni Presidente na ginawa niyang priority legislation, hindi rin naman natuloy. Marami siyang mga reforms na pinangako para pagtakpan itong the greatest heist in the history of national budget and infrastructure, hindi naman natupad. So, hindi rin matutupad yan.